So let's move on to the install Git to Windows system. So for example, here we can install Git by go to the gitscm.com, and we see the download for Windows or something like that. For the Linux user is here with download for Linux or Ubuntu. I don't remember, but it actually automatically detect your operating system to give the recommendation here. So let's download this. Click here to download. Okay, after download, you just run this file. You just run this file. For example, in my local system, I already installed that. Here we can see the Gitbat here in my computer system. So that's mean I installed it. For Linux, you can install it by directly type this command. So yeah, its Git version is 4 and 2.37. So we can change the default editor, like for example for the Windows system we can use Notepad. Yeah, it's something you will config for using the Git alias for mentioned about in the Linux system. And our Windows we can use the environment variable to using Git. It's I can see that here in parameter system variable. And you paste the bin and the CMD folder here, but now I don't see something Git here. I go CMD Git here. Yeah, you can paste the Git CMD here to using that outside the terminal. So yeah, that's basic of Git installing. Yeah, let's move on to the Git config. So for config grid is let Git know who you are. The important version of control system. Git commit use this information. For example, you can change the username and on user email to you can see the on the detail system here. I just see that. So my user email name is namobigamemail.com and my username is Dugang. So I already config that for the first install. You can change that whatever you want. So yeah, you can config the code editor also, the default branch name, and